Hey guys, okay, so I'm here in front of my house. We have been talking for weeks, months, however long, planning for a remodel, and I thought before we started things, because we're starting here in the next couple weeks, let's give you a before shot. So I'm gonna walk you through the rooms, kind of explain what it is that we're doing. Come on with me. One day over the Christmas holidays, I was in the bathroom and I looked out the window and you could see to the backyard. We have a gazebo in our backyard, and I thought, why don't we turn that into a playhouse slash guest house for the kids? And let's turn their current playroom, which is a giant room upstairs, into our master suite. And then that just sort of got the wheels churning, and it sort of snowballed from there, and eventually every room was involved in the remodel. Most of the changes will be upstairs. So come on. We have a powder bathroom. It's covered in this hideous wallpaper that I've never liked. So I really want to make it a space that's fun. I know it sounds weird to say make the powder bathroom fun, but I want to make it a space where our guests can find a little bit of humor and enjoy our space. And then in the kitchen, the biggest change, the layout works for us. So we're going to be changing out the countertops and the backsplash, but everything else will remain. We're going to update all the lighting throughout, and all of that will all stay the same. Downstairs, the layout's staying the same. We have our living room, kitchen, dining room, powder bathroom. So this will all change. This will become a black steel railing going all the way up, custom made for the stairs, obviously. And then from here up, the flooring will be changing as well. So the carpet's coming up, and it's gonna become matching wood flooring to match the existing flooring downstairs throughout. Our stair railing was starting to fall down. With kids in the house, that was just really terrifying for me, and that sort of became a non-negotiable that it had to change. Here we have the existing master bedroom. This is gonna become our daughter Blake's room. Right off the stairs is the current master bedroom. That is becoming my daughter Blake's room. Floor plan will pretty much stay the same, and the blueprint of it will stay the same. Cabinets will remain. New countertops, new paint, new tile, new tub, a freestanding tub. We're gonna retile the shower surround. The biggest thing for me in the house that I don't like is the master bathroom shower. It's way too small, and I think it's about 2 feet by 3 feet. This master closet is actually gonna become a shared closet for our daughter Blake and then our daughter Decker. So come over here with me. I'll show you Decker's new room. There's a room right next door to the master bedroom that is our current office. We shares a wall with the master bathroom closet. This room is gonna become Decker's room. This is the existing closet. This is gonna be closed off. That closet's gonna be combined with the master closet, which was on the other side of this wall. And then we're gonna open up the space actually right out here, and she'll be able to access the bathroom from here. So that will become a Jack and Jill bathroom and a shared closet for them. So we are planning to cut open a walkway there, and we'll make that into a Jack and Jill bathroom for them to share. And then coming down here, this was Blake's original room. It's now gonna become a guest bathroom, because as you can see, when guests had to share a bathroom with our children, it was a nightmare. Blake's current bedroom, which has a bathroom off of it, that will become our guest bathroom and our guest suite. This room is Decker's current room. As you can see, she treats it really well, keeps it very clean. And then the other bedroom, which is Decker's current bedroom, and is the smallest room of the house, we're gonna be turning into our home office. And then this is the big daddy of the whole project. Every house in our neighborhood is a custom home, and they all have really funky elements to them. So in ours in particular, the original owners were animal breeders. So they built an addition above the garage, which is the current playroom, to be their aquarium room. So this was their aquarium room. When we moved in, we made it into a playroom, media room for our kids. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put up a wall right at the edge of where this fireplace ends. And on this side of the wall will be the new master bedroom. At the very end of the hall is where the playroom currently is. We will wall it off, and we will make both a master bedroom and bathroom for our ultimate master suite. And then over in this area, we'll have a door that will come into the new master bathroom. Basically, so what we're doing is adding in a bathroom and giving us a little bit more space and a bigger master suite. I'm excited to get started. And we've got the contractors coming to walk through, and we're moving out in a couple weeks, packing up to get rid of all this stuff or move stuff out, and yeah, let's get going. I'm pretty worried about this project because interior designers as a whole are our own worst clients. We're very picky, but we also can't decide because we like everything. So making sure I get out of my own way and I'm not my own worst client is going to be the most difficult part of this whole process. Okay, this is my daughter. What's your name? Jaker. And this is my daughter. Blake. Goodbye.